Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Exacerbating psoriasis, and you're looking at the drug inducing. So now, in this drug inducing or exacerbating psoriasis, there is beta blockers. Next is the synthetic antimalarials. Synthetic antimalarials. Then comes the presence of the NSAIDs, NSAIDs. Then comes the presence of the lithium. Next is the AC inhibitors. AC inhibitors, also the ARBs. ARB means the angiotensin receptor blockers. Then comes the interferon. There is interferon alpha. Then comes the tetracycline and the terbinafine. Terbinafine and the gemfibrozil. There is gemfibrozil. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.